Do you know what the most terrifying creature in Earth's history was? The emergence of this species surpassed all previous animal dynasties and pushed countless lives to the brink of extinction. Our story today will revolve around it. When time advanced to 2.5 million years ago, the fall of a single snowflake heralded the arrival of a new era. A snowflake itself is a fragile frozen miracle. No two are alike in this world, but when billions of snowflakes unite, their collective power can reshape the world. Vast sheets of white snow covered Earth's northern hemisphere, marking the beginning of our most recent ice age. By 20,000 years ago, cold-adapted mammals had become the undisputed rulers of this frozen world. Among these familiar yet strange figures, the most iconic were undoubtedly the woolly mammoths, their massive size being their foundation for survival, deterring predators much like modern elephants. Even the mightiest hunters of the tundra could only prey upon young mammoths, but from these frozen wastelands would emerge a devastatingly intelligent species, Homo sapiens. When groups of humans armed with spears appeared, no animal could withstand them, not even mammoths. Prey provided them food, while fur and bones became survival resources. Their mastery of fire and tools made humans the destructive overlords of this era. Although environmental changes contributed to megafauna extinctions, human arrival undoubtedly delivered the final blow. Mammoths went extinct around the time pyramids were being built. The greatness of Homo sapiens lay in their unparalleled adaptability and intelligence, enabling them to outcompete other human species and become Earth's sole human inhabitants. Ice Age humans left their marks in caves, those vivid murals depicting a world of fire and ice, recording mammoths and various megafauna. Notably, the Ice Age didn't freeze the entire globe. Snow only blanketed the northern hemisphere, while nature's artistry quietly transformed the other half. Frozen waters made southern regions increasingly arid, creating ever-expanding deserts. South of the ice sheets, deserts consumed everything at alarming rates, with only the hardiest life surviving. This drought eventually reached Africa, where tropical rainforests disappeared, replaced by dry forests and grasslands, changes that particularly affected primates. Baboons share 94% of our DNA, and they underwent the same arboreal to terrestrial transition as our ancient relatives. Time advanced to 16,000 years ago. Just as life adapted to the cold, dry environment, changes in Earth's orbit triggered global warming. At first, the trickling meltwater seemed insignificant, but over time, these blue veins spread across the pristine landscape. The peaceful meltwater gradually turned violent, and when it became catastrophic floods, it sounded the death knell for an era. In North America, meltwater formed a gargantuan glacial lake, 600 meters deep and covering 10,000 square kilometers. Should it burst, its power would dwarf any dam release, and nature used kilometer-tall ice walls as its dam. From a god's eye view, anyone would worry about the world behind those walls. This seemingly indestructible barrier was actually precarious. As temperatures kept rising, the glacial lake expanded, with pressure mounting